Hello and welcome to Jane Tanner Designs Crochet YouTube channel. Today we'll be working on the half double crochet stitch. Here we have our beginning chain. If you don't remember how to do this, go ahead and refer back to the beginning chain video. Today we're going to be working on our half double crochet. Once again, we're going to be starting in the second chain from the hook. Remember, first chain from the hook, second chain from the hook. In this stitch, we're going to start with yarning over. We'll yarn over the hook, so you'll have 2 loops on your hook. Insert your hook into the loop, grab the yarn and pull through the loop, and you'll now have 3 loops on your hook. We're going to yarn over, and we're going to pull this thread through all 3 loops. And that is your half double crochet. Let's do it again. Yarn over, insert hook into the loop, catch thread and pull it through, 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull that yarn through all 3 loops. Very good. Let's do it again. This is another good stitch that you can just practice to work on getting everything even and uniform as you're working to crochet and as you're learning to crochet. If it's uneven, it's a good stitch to just continue to work and continue to practice as needed. And that is a row of half double crochets. Learning to crochet, make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss a tip.